Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is not going to be a makeup video. This is actually going to be a shirt tutorial. So I'm going to show y'all how I make shirts. Super simple. If y'all have any questions when the video's over, just feel free to shoot me a message. So the shirts I'm making today are actually just words. So what I'm going to want to do, I'm going to turn the camera a little bit. You're going to go over here to your font setting. You're going to click there and then just click on your workspace, and then you can type out your words. I am doing some soon-to-be parents and grandparents shirts. So typically when I'm working with fonts, I like to highlight everything and then change the color to black so that I can see what I'm working with. And then you're going to go up here to your little font and you're going to pick the font you want. I am going to go with not that one, Beyond the Mountains, and then I'm going to center everything. Now what I'm going to want to do is ungroup it all. So right click, ungroup, because I want to kind of squish them together so that they're closer. I just highlight each line and just arrow down. You could drag down if you want, but if you do arrow down, you're going to keep it centered. So now I want to weld the font. Anytime you're working with cursive fonts, you want to make sure you weld it so that you don't have cut lines in each of the letters. So you're going to highlight the entire, whatever you're working with, right click and weld. Now, if you can see, it's still not all connected and grouped into one. So now I'm going to right click and group it all. Okay. Highlight, scroll down, highlight both of those and scroll down till it looks right where you want it. Right click, weld, right click, group. So they're now all together, so I don't have to worry about them coming apart. Highlight, drag down, highlight, drag down, get it where you want it. Select everything, right click, weld, select everything, and group. Okay? Super simple. Now, I'm going to change it to the size I want. Typically, I use for adult t-shirts anywhere from 10 to 12 inches tall. If it is a smaller size shirt, I'd say stick with 8 or less inches. Each one of these blocks represents an inch, so make sure you know what you're counting when you do it. The little squares in between the big bold squares are 1/2 inches, and then the tiny ones are going to be 1/4 inch. So that way you know what you're working with. Move your other projects out of the way. These are 3 shirts total. So what you want to make sure is that over here on the top, next to this little line, there's a red line. You want to make sure that you're staying inside that red line because that's your cut line. If you are outside that cut line, you will cut out part of your design when you actually go to do it. So super simple. If y'all have any questions, just feel free to shoot me a message. I will make another video later on of cutting vinyl and actually heat pressing them on the shirts. So I hope y'all have a great day. And if y'all would like to order a shirt from me, I will put my link in the comments. Just shoot me a message and I'll get you taken care of.